hit it. Oh!
Here, I'm going to keep trying to pass it.
Yeah, auto! Don't put your feet down. Just to the flag. Sorry when you go there. I hate this hill so much.
Right, well, that hill probably didn't seem that big on GoPro, but it goes to show how big it actually is. Pretty good. This place is nice. I like this hill. Bum. Hopefully this isn't the last time we ride here. This is our plans for the trails. They started grading a big road through the trails back here. Right over there. So I knew that they were probably gonna make it look like this.
I'm gonna fight 'em all. A seven-nation army couldn't hold me back. They're gonna rip it off, taking their time right behind my back. And I'm talking to myself at night because I can't forget. Back and forth through my mind behind a cigarette. And a message coming from my eyes says leave it Don't wanna hear about it. Every single one's got a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my bones says find a I'm going to Wichita, far from this opera forevermore. I'm gonna work the straw, make the sweat drip out of every pore. And I'm bleeding and I'm bleeding and I'm bleeding right before the Lord. All the words are gonna bleed from me, and I will think no more. And the stains coming from my blood tell me go back home.
Ooh,
What's up?
not cool.
No, I thought it was just gonna hit Joey, so I just slammed on the back brake.
Backflip back.
What's up, boy? I'm good at filming, dude. Ah. Tyson.
Mm.
Look.
Hey, watch out for a stone back over here. Let me film all y'all getting down. I never thought of really doing it like that. Oh yeah, right, I guess no flashlight. Tweaker house. Oh, there's a couple more houses. I know.
Yeah.
Well, so far they've argued over the mountain bike to go to the pool. Right, let's see if Tyson can walk. Oh my god! Oh no! Oh my god. He did it!
I don't think they need a lot of attention. Like, you know, Boise the ones are going to get that metal plate and shit. And I don't know if they need all that.
Those are like 3.5 years old. But I was gonna buy the whole block, and he goes, "Don't do that. Just replace."
Oh, look at this. So you can check the air filter real quick.
Say Otto.
Where is it?
You've asked that like 8 times. I'm scared you nachos. You want to see your face?
Yeah.
Look.
Dude!
Lick it. Look at this thing. Dude.
Fuses. Should I put this in there, Audrey?
Wait, dude, that'll explode.
It's out. It won't explode.
Oh! Oh! No!
Dude, that'll explode. It's out. It won't explode.
Oh! Oh!
Oh,
It's a gun. It's rapid fire.
I got you. Hey, give me.
Ooh. Come on.
Oh! Dude, this thing's so... Dude, it shot at me.
Oh, there it goes.
Make it burn.
Too poppy.